Welcome to Machine Squad, where military tech gets real. Today, we're zeroing in on one of the most game-changing developments in modern warfare: combat drones. From the stealthy and deadly X-250 to AI-driven hunter-killers, these machines are reshaping the battlefield. Buckle up as we explore the top next-gen combat drones, their capabilities, and why human soldiers might soon be watching the war from screens, not trenches. Like, subscribe, and lock in, because Machine Squad is just getting started. Let's kick things off with the star of today's show, the X-250 combat drone. This stealth UAV was designed for precision strikes, electronic warfare, and high-altitude recon. Think of it as the deadly ghost in the sky. Specs overview: top speed, over 800 kilometers per hour. Operational ceiling, 50,000 feet. Payload: smart missiles, guided bombs, and jamming systems. Stealth technology: radar-absorbent materials plus low-IR signature. What makes the X-250 unique? It doesn't just fly, it thinks. With autonomous navigation, real-time threat analysis, and AI-assisted targeting, this drone can complete missions with or without human input. It's already rumored to have been deployed in classified ops across multiple continents, though of course, officials deny everything. Combat drones like the X-250 are just the beginning. Let's talk about other cutting-edge unmanned platforms changing the face of warfare. Our Q-180 Sentinel, America's top-secret stealth recon drone, designed for deep penetration surveillance behind enemy lines. Bayraktar Kızılelma, Turkey's first jet-powered UAV, capable of dogfighting and launching smart munitions mid-air. Ghostbat Australia, a combat drone that flies in formation with fighter jets, controlled by AI and built for extreme electronic warfare. These drones aren't just flying weapons, they're networked warfighters, feeding real-time data across entire armies. So what happens when the sky is filled with drones? Fewer human casualties, more surgical strikes, and 24/7 surveillance. But there's a darker side. Increased risks of AI misfires, civilian collateral, and ethical questions about who pulls the trigger. Or if anyone does at all. In recent conflicts, like Ukraine and the Middle East, drones have been used to hunt tanks with guided missiles, jam communication grids, even drop grenades into enemy trenches from above. One operator said, "It's like playing Call of Duty, except the explosions are real." So what's next for military drones? Hypersonic UAVs, traveling at Mach 5 or more. Swarm drones, dozens of small units acting like a hive mind. Laser-equipped UAVs, shooting down missiles mid-air. Even civilian companies like SpaceX and Google are indirectly contributing through satellite tech, AI development, and data infrastructure. And yes, the next-gen X series is already rumored. X-300 rumored drone with vertical takeoff, orbital recon, and full battlefield AI coordination. Drones like the X-250 aren't science fiction anymore, they're today's reality. The battlefield of tomorrow, it's already here. Invisible, intelligent, and airborne. Which drone impressed you the most? Drop a comment below and let us know what tech you want us to cover next. This is Machine Squad, where firepower meets the future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. We've got more military tech breakdowns coming your way.